Welcome to the course Digital Signal Processing. Right now we are looking for some of the numericals based on the orthogonality. Let's see some of the numericals. This is what we have seen earlier. Let's deal up with this numerical. What exactly the statement pointed out? It is nothing but find whether the functions f of x is equal to e raised to minus x and g of x is equal to cos x are orthogonal on. This is what the interval mentioned, pi by 4 comma 5 pi by 4. So this is what the interval. How to trace out for it? So very simple one. Just go for finding the integral of this form. This integral indicates that for finding the orthogonality between f and g, so f comma g is equal to integral starting of the interval is nothing but pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. This is nothing but f of x into g of x dx. So f of x is just provided over here. So this is f of x. This one is nothing but the g of x. So if you just solve this integral, you will get the ultimate output, which is of this particular format. So this is what the output we expect. Okay, let me just point out it. This is what the output which we expect after solving this integral. So how to solve this particular integral? It can be solved with the help of integral by parts. So for solving this, let's assume that this is nothing but integration u dv. So u will be acting as a e raised to minus x and dv means it is nothing but the term cos x dx. For finding this integral by parts, it is resulting in the expression that is uv minus integral v du. So on solving it further, we will get the resultant like this. So let's apply the limit on this one. So replace the x by 5 pi by 4 firstly and minus next time pi by 4. This is what explained further. So by applying the limits for the first time when 5 pi by 4 is provided instead of x, this is what the case. So here the sine 5 pi by 4 as well as cos pi by 4, these two values are nothing but actually 1 by root 2. This is what the result of cos pi by 4, it is actually cos 5 pi by 4, which is nothing but negative value. This can be pointed out over here. Check here. This is what the expression for sin pi by 4, it is the value nothing but minus 1 by root 2. So that is how it will become like this. Next, apply the integral for pi by 4. So this is how e raised to minus x, instead of x we are putting this time pi by 4 value. So this pi by 4 can be simply provided over here so as to get these values. So for getting this value means sin pi by 4, what is it? Sin pi by 4 is nothing but the value 1 by root 2 and cos pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. So by putting all these values, ultimately this particular result will give the resultant values over here as a 0 minus 0. So 0 minus 0, it will become equal to 0. So this is how by solving it we can conclude that f and g are orthogonal on interval that is 5 pi by 4 comma 5 pi by 4. So it results in 0 value. So that is about the orthogonality and one of the numerical which you can further extend. So thank you everyone. Thank you very much.